What are the best Christmas gifts for the boyfriend? Every girl asks herself, what are the best Christmas gifts for the boyfriend? Gift giving is a way to make your loved ones happy, send best wishes, and express your affection for them. So what is a truly exciting and is the best Christmas gift for your boyfriend? When choosing a Christmas gift for your boyfriend, remember that men are practical. A Christmas gift for a boyfriend has to be something he would find interesting and useful. That's why you should consider their interests, hobbies, profession, and personality while choosing a gift. Here's a quick tip. Listen to what he says about his stuff. If you're a good listener, you will find that out. Christmas gift selection for your boyfriend. Men tend to have a vast range of interests. It often includes cars, computers, sports, movies, photography, fishing, camping, etc. Take some time to think about your boyfriend's hobbies. Use your imagination and you'll be able to find out a great gift idea for your boyfriend. Men's accessories gifts. Good Christmas gifts for your boyfriend are also the following: men's shirts, tie holders, ties, cufflinks, and other attributes that create the image of a businessman. Traditional Christmas gifts for your boyfriend are also stylish pins, keychains, beer mugs, books, and accessories for their desktops. Here's another amazing Christmas gift idea for your boyfriend: Iron Man t-shirts. Other great Christmas gift ideas for him would be stylish USB flash drives, a Kindle Fire, or cases for any of these gadgets. These definitely will not leave him indifferent. Here's a quick tip. Look what he's doing and then you'll find out what he needs. Awesome Christmas gifts are iPhone and iPad controlled gadgets as well. Sometimes men like technical remote controlled flying toys, like helicopters and quadcopters. Fun gadgets for your boyfriend are also Powerball, finger drums, iPhone controlled missile launchers, snowball makers, Swiss Army knife USBs, or a laser projection keyboard. Here's another quick tip. Try to find some specific need he has but hasn't yet satisfied. How about an iPhone or Samsung Galaxy external battery charger and battery cases? Video games, or hot new releases. Here's some more great Christmas gift ideas for the car enthusiast. For the car enthusiast, a good Christmas gift idea would be the accessories for his car. Telephone, CD and clock holder for his car interior, and even radar or laser detector, a GPS, sunglasses, car heater, and windshield defroster. Here's another quick tip. Sometimes guys may be conservative and are stuck to the old thing. Just replace that with something brand new. Here are some special Christmas gift ideas for your boyfriend. Luxury watches from leading manufacturers, exquisite interior things, etc. are considered as being exclusive and unique Christmas gifts for the men. And lastly, an amazing Christmas gift for your boyfriend: perfume for men. A Christmas gift for your boyfriend doesn't have to be big or expensive. It's most important that it expresses your care for him, your love, and your attention. Good luck! For more Christmas gift ideas for your boyfriend, just click the link below.